interior lights of my Nissan Pathfinder not working at all. Even when I turn the engine on, you see, even this light here should be illuminated. This light is always on. So even when I open the doors, they don't come on, the door lights. Even when I turn this on, the next thing that came to my mind was to check the fuse box, because as you can see, dashboard is working, the lights are coming on, you see. So for a Pathfinder, this is the fuse box, right? This one here. So you just have to pull this out, and those are the fuses there. So I'll be checking them, looking at this diagram from the fuse box. I'm just going through the list, and there's one particular fuse that caught my eye, which is this one here. That's a room lamp, the 10 amp one. So that's the top right, yeah, the first one, top right. So I'll do a bit of some investigation, and I'm thinking that could be where the problem is. We'll have a look. So I hope you guys can see. So these are the fuses, and the one that I want is the first one on the right. So this is the left side, the right side. So I'll use my long nose to pull it out. Okay, hopefully that works. Right, so I've managed to pull this out using the long nose, as you can see. So as per the diagram, that's the 10 amp fuse. So yes, this is actually broken. So I went to the shops to Super Cheap Auto, and I bought some replacement fuses. So I bought this, right? So I'll be replacing the blown fuse with the new fuse, with this one, and this one. So this one looks okay, it's complete, it's a new fuse, right? So I'll put this one back into position. So remember, that's the top right at the top there, right? So there is my fuse. You see the 10 amp one, which is this one. Yeah, you see that one? That one is now in place, and I will be testing the lights. So the lights are coming on, as you can see, right, the lights are coming on. The lights are coming on. So yeah,